How to find your Alamo reservation with a confirmation number. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up the Alamo application. I'm going to use a web and you can log into your account if you're not. After that, we can just go over and look out for the option called manage reservations. Directly find that option on your application, or if you're on the wave, you can look out for the menu option in the top right and tap on it. And once you tap on it, we'll be finding a section called reserve. When we drop it down, we'll be finding three different options. So if you want to go ahead and find your Alamo reservation with a confirmation number, we can select the second option called view, modify and cancel and tap on it. After that, head over to that specific page, and within the page we can find our current rental by entering up a confirmation detail. For that, tap on the search and enter up your details, your first name, last name, your confirmation, etc., and just go over and confirm it up and tap on find rental or reservation, and your reservation details will appear, including pickup and drop off location, vehicle type, rental dates and time, rental options or extras. You can just go and check it out, and that's it. That is it, everybody. You may follow out this method if you want to find your Alamo reservation with confirmation number. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.